A magnitude 7.6 earthquake occurred off the coast of Mindanao, Philippines on December 2nd, just after 10:30 p.m. local time. This caused shaking that could have been experienced by more than 30 million people. An earthquake of this size will create seismic waves detectable around the world. I'm about to show you a series of animations showing these waves as they were detected by seismic stations in North America and Europe. Here's a screenshot showing what they look like. Each dot is a seismic station. When the ground below the station moves up, the dot turns red, and when the ground below the station moves down, the dot turns blue. By the time the waves reach these locations, they are far too small to be felt by people, but not too small to be detected by these super sensitive seismic instruments. Okay, let's watch. Remember, the waves that are shown here are moving the ground less than the width of a human hair. Seismometers detect anything that shake the ground, including wind, ocean waves, traffic, and other kind of anthropogenic or human, created noise. So you'll see some of that in addition to the earthquake waves. These videos also don't show all of the seismic stations in the area. There are far more that aren't pictured here. The green triangle you see is marking the location of the reference station that's producing the seismic trace, or that wiggle shown along the bottom. So why are the waves coming from that direction? It's because they're following a great circle path, which is the shortest distance between 2 points on a globe. So in just a second, we're going to start looking at the waves as they're crossing over Europe. These animations are called ground motion visualizations, and they're automatically created by the EarthScope Consortium after earthquakes above a magnitude 6.5. They're made using real seismic data, but they are not shown in real time. Remember, by the time the earthquake waves leave the region where the earthquake occurred, they're too small to feel, but not too small to be detected by these instruments. Now, there have been aftershocks to this earthquake, and aftershocks will continue. Some of these may be large enough to cause damage. So as this earthquake sequence continues, we keep looking at the data, make sure that we're following along. Always be sure to check with official sources, and please keep the people of the Philippines in your heart and in your thoughts. I know that I will.